back to the channel. Welcome back to another review, and this time around we're going to be reviewing the Sony Gmaster LEDs, the 35mm 1.4. Very excited about this. We got it delivered just the other day it just came through the post the other day. Really looking forward to that. Yeah, with that said, let's get into it. So, for those of you that know or may not know, I'm also doing or have started doing photography as a side gig. I have 5 more lenses or 6 more lenses just before that. This I only order now as a, with every lens that we end up buying, or I end up buying, I should say. It's always, that's the one and that's it, no more, But literally this time I even told my wife that this is it and no more. We can only imagine why. We all know what the cost is of one of these babies over here. I am pursuing it all professionally, so I thought might as well splash a bit more and then have that forever, basically. So what do we get? In the box, we get a Sony 1-year extended warranty, which will be applied later. Oh, look how nicely this thing is packaged. Oh my god. We get our guarantee information documents in different kind of languages. I must say it's very bright, my lights. Let me see. Let me see if I can turn down. There we go. I think that's a bit better. So, yeah, we get our warranties here. In the box, we get a pouch where the lens comes in. I'll put on the side of there for now. Man, I've been waiting for this for so long. I've been saving my pennies very patiently. So, super nice pouch, super sturdy, feels very high quality. Got a little strap hooks there. Sony badge, of course. Oh, got a zip, like a pull down zip. Doesn't go this way, or it does go this way. Oh no, it should do. Perfect. And here we got our back strap. I don't see any labeling, any branding on that, which is a shame. Get the lens itself. And we get a lens hood as well. It's quite a small one, I must say. Case inside is felt. Nice carpety feeling. Right, so yeah, as I was saying, we have the hood lens. It's on the smaller side from what I would expect. I don't know if I was expecting or not expecting, to be honest. Anyhow, it is what it is. Similar feeling to any other Sony lens, nothing too out of this world. Yeah. If you can see that on the camera there somewhere. Right, now, as for the lens itself. First impressions, it feels nicely weighted. I think it's just over 500 grams. metal and rubberized focus ring and aperture ring, I think the set. Over here, as you turn around, you got the option to be a clickable or unclickable aperture ring, whatever you prefer. If it's for video, of course, or if it's for photos. I think I prefer it to be on, so you can just, you know, change it up easy. Know that it's an easy twist, yeah. So it's nice and firm. So same thing, nice and smooth. On the focus ring spin, and on this side we got the autofocus and manual focus switch as well, and a focus hold button as well. So that's for a Sony camera. So that's an E-mount, of course. Get your back cap as well, and a lens hood. Now for the, does that work? Do that. Let's do the aperture. Is gonna do anything else? Nah. Okay. Well, in terms of the, has a 67mm thread for a filter. And I think that's the minimum focus distance. Is that what it is? 27mm? Was a bit less maybe. A bit on the curved side. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but see, where's the camera? There we go. See that? Just protruding a little bit of that. It's good. Could definitely take a thing on. Take a filter to protect the lens itself. Right, easy, very easy to put on. Not so easy to take off almost, I must say. Oh, it has a, oh, I'm so silly. It's got a button to release. That is cool. All the others you have to kind of like click and unclick in place. Yeah, this is it in a nutshell. I will be putting up some sample photos with this lens, potentially compared to the other ones I've got as well eventually. But yeah, guys, this is it for now. Thank you very much for watching. I'll be putting up the retail price and the links, of course, in the description as well. But yeah, thank you very much, and then we will see you to the next one. Take care.